Good afternoon, LVS elementary families. As we have dug into these new updated Summit courses this year that K-12 developed, we are slowly starting to learn some new things and how certain things have been set up a little bit differently than we have done in the past. And so I wanted to share with you one of the things that we have learned just as of recent is that some of the written assessments for some of the courses, for example, math and literature, at least those are the ones that we've discovered so far, have been more difficult to find the offline documents that students need. Unfortunately, they're not being included in student workbooks, and they're a little trickier to find when you're accessing these from the parent account. So I wanted to give you a quick video so you could see how to find those. If after watching the video, if you still have questions, please do reach out to your education specialist. Or if you find them and you realize you really could help be helped by your education specialist printing those copies for you, do let them know. So I am in a demo account. I'm going to choose the first grade. And so the easiest way, I'm going to jump to a unit that I know has an offline assessment. So I'm going to click on the Courses tab. And I'm going to choose Math. And the unit that I know has an offline document that's needed is Unit 4. So I'm going to scroll down to the unit assessment, and when I click on the unit checkpoint, I am going to go ahead and change to the student version of the account. And whenever you go into the student account and get to quizzes or assessments, as you know, you should be prompted to put in the parent password. And hopefully your students do not know that password because they shouldn't. And you notice that now I do have access to the assessment sheet and the answer key. So I can open up and see that assessment sheet. And like I said, if you don't have a printer at home, if that would be helpful for your teacher to print that for you and drop it in the mail real quick, please do let them know. And then, of course, there's the answer key. And then once I hit continue, it is going to prompt me to put in the results of, so for example, part 1 on this assessment, there's 2 pages. There's a part 1 and then there's a part 2. And so the assessment is going to prompt me to put in how many I answered, or my student answered correctly on part 1 and then part 2, and then you would mark submit or finish. So hopefully this is helpful. Once again, do reach out to your homeroom education specialist if you have questions and if we can be of assistance, or if there is anything else that you're not finding that we can help to dig in and find those things for you. Thanks so much and have a great day.